Changing your username on Slack is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your username easily. Step 1. Open Slack. Launch the Slack application on your desktop or mobile device, or visit the Slack website and log into your workspace. Step 2. Access profile settings. Click on your profile picture or initials located in the top right corner of the Slack interface. From the drop-down menu, select Profile or View Profile. Step 3. Edit Profile. In your profile view, look for the Edit Profile button. Click on it to open the profile editing options. Step 4. Change username. Locate the field labeled username or display name. Enter your desired new username in this field. Ensure that it meets any character requirements set by your workspace. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new username, scroll down and click the Save Changes button to apply the update. Your new username will now be visible to all members of your workspace. Once you've completed these steps, your Slack username will be successfully changed. Make sure to inform your team if necessary.